Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Sarwar Nas from Government College for Women, Korangi number 6. Today I'm going to continue chapter 12 Nutrition part 3, which is from first year textbook. Students, in previous session I have discussed with you about heterotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic plants, and in detail I have discussed with you about parasitic plants. In today's session, I am going to discuss with you remaining heterophytic plants, that is saprophytic plants and carnivorous plants in detail. And second category of heterotrophic plants are saprophytic plants. These are the plants that depend on dead or rotten organic remains of plants and animals. In this picture, student, you can see that they do not have chlorophyll. They break down the complex organic matter into simpler substances that are taken up by the plants to perform various metabolic activities. So their roots form an association with fungi for absorption of food from dead bodies. Saprophytes are further divided into two types, that is partial saprophytes and total saprophytes. Partial saprophytes are those that depend partially on dead or rotten remains of plant animals, for example Monotropa. Total saprophytes are those that depend totally on dead or rotten remains of plant animals, for example Neothea. Student, now I am going to discuss with you third category of heterotrophic plant, which are known as carnivorous plants. These plants contain chlorophyll and they are capable of preparing their own food. Student, but the problem with them is that they lack nitrogenous compound and protein. So to compensate that, they have to depend on insects. Now let us take different examples. First example is of pitcher plant. In this diagram, you can see that the leaves are modified into flower-shaped structure, which are known as leaf pitcher. And this pitcher, it has a lid to close its mouth. When the insects come on this mouth, they are slipped into the pitcher. From the inner surface of this pitcher, different digestive enzymes are secreted, which help in digestion of insects. Sundew plant is also an example of carnivorous plant. Student, in this picture you can see that it has tentacle-like leaves which are covered in sticky granular hairs. The plant's tacky secretion gives off sweet scent, due to which insects are attracted towards it. Once the insect gets stuck to its leaf, the sundew will curl inward to start digesting its prey. Student, next example which I am going to discuss with you is of Venus flytrap. Its name indicates that it's a trap for insects, and this trap is made of two hing lobes at the end of each leaf. You can see that each half of this has teeth-like structure, on the inner surface of which there are hair-like projections which are known as trichomes. And when the insects come on these leaves, their teeth get interlocked with each other, and then the enzymes are secreted here for digestion. I hope you have got this point. Student, last example which I am going to teach you is of bladderwort. Now in this picture you can see that its leaves are modified into cup-like structure which are known as bladder. Each bladder has small opening which act as trapdoor. The insects enter bladder through this trapdoor, and then the enzymes are produced here for digestion. Students, I have tried my best to explain you the concept of nutrition in plant in easiest way as I can. I hope so. Your concept of nutrition in plants and its types are clear now. If you have any problem, you can ask me in your comment box and please give me your feedback. How did you like my lecture? Thank you.